So I've just had a delivery of cat food, and a box makes a perfect toy. So I've thrown away some of the other boxes and I thought I'll just keep this, just hold on to this box as it might be of interest. As we can see, Oliver and Oscar have settled in there. Because it's an interesting new place, they've not been before. Just goes to show you, don't have to buy expensive cat toys. How great is this? Bit of cardboard packaging. I left that small box in there as well, so I thought that would be more interesting. And it's worked. In fact, where's he gone? Oh, there he is. Anyway, let's leave these two for some fun and games, and I'll catch you in the next Snow Castle Cats video. From Oliver and Oscar, see you later.